shocked my family member, laughing my daddy, that day my confident, my one and only. I love you, my best friend. You are my soulmate, my heart and my one true love. You are my one and only. Nothing in this world will ever come between us. I trusted that the best is yet to come. You are love and trusted mean everything to me. I am so grateful to have you by my side. You have no idea how much I love you. I love you so much. I do anything to keep you. I miss you, my love. I trust love and miss you every day. I really will catch a grenade for you. I love you. Hey, I love you more than today, yesterday, and I will always love you, always with you. I am at peace. I believe you with all of me. When you have confidence in someone, you ultimately believe in them for life. Please never doubt my love for you, no matter the criminals you are mean forever. Know that my love for you will never favor. I sometimes stop working to think of you, our life. I think of all the time. My only love, my love, nothing else. Complete me as you do. Always keep that in my mind. Hi, Bibi. Always know that you are the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. I love you, him, and I trust it that our life will always everything. You are the sweetest. I love you and trusted you. I know we are one mine to be together. Hi, love. I hope your day is lovely because today is a special day. I love you. How are you? Smile. I love you and affection. You are so baby. I love you. Believing in someone is with loving them. I love you, baby. I miss you so much. I wish could see you today. I love you, baby. My love and faith in you come and package. Thank you for being in my life. I am sending you this message to tell you that no one matter in my life like you. Everywhere I go, everywhere I go, everything I do, every thought in my mind. You are the only one I think of you. Your love and trusted in spread me to the best person I can be. I am so grateful for you. I know that I am saying when I tell you what my life has never been the same since you came in it to all pleasing for me that you are mine. Nothing will be ever make me stop loving you. With you is where I want to be all that time. You came into my heart and got yourself a space that no one can replace. My love for you is strong for ability is exceptional. Your love make me vulnerable, but I love it so think you should place me on a salary plane already because thinking of you that I do on a full-time basis. Let's train away together and leave all this behind. All we needed in each other. I promise to love, honor, and cherish you for as long as life. I never thought that I could ever feel in love like this again. You are so kind, so loving, and understanding. Your eyes show me the light at the end of the tunnel. I want to be with you forever, united the end of time. There is nobody else this world that I want to rather than you mean the whole world to me. You are the love of my life and always will be. Never believe in true love. United I meet you. Now I see that there is an absolutely never ending love out there. It is a beautiful. I want to know my partner in crime. You are the first thing that I think of when I wake up and the last thing that I think of before I fall asleep. You are on my mind constantly. There is no escape from the fact that I love you. I do not want into a life without you, and each day I spend away from you is torment. I needing you by my side. I wanted to by my side. You complete me in your eyes. I something that I never seen before. It is love, and it looking directly at me to will never hurt you. I will be there for you no matter that happens, and I will always give you the supporting that you need deserves. Every day I want to be with you. Every month I need to be your side. Every year I yearning to hold you tightly in my arms. You are my world. If for you I would do anything, and I would to walk 1,000 million miles. I would swim a ringing river. I would be climbed to the highest mountain and jump off just because you were asked me to. I.